Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Google Home routines after changing your phone. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Home app on your new phone. Sign in with the same Google account you used on your previous device. Once signed in, tap on the Routines section in the app. If you don't see your routines, tap on Settings in the app. Look for Assistance Settings and tap on it. Then find and select Routines from the list. Check if your old routines are listed here. If they are not visible, you may need to recreate them. To start recreating a routine, tap on the plus icon or Add Routine. Choose a name for your new routine. Select the trigger for the routine, such as a voice command or a time. Now, define what actions you want the routine to perform. You can add multiple actions, such as adjusting smart devices or playing music. Review your routine to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once satisfied, tap on Save to create your routine. Repeat these steps for any additional routines you want to restore. After all routines are set, test them out to confirm they work as expected. If you encounter issues, you may want to check if your smart devices are linked properly. Make sure your Google Home app is updated to the latest version for the best performance. With everything set, enjoy your customized Google Home experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.